That's because white people turn their back on golden retrievers. You don't see them no more. Everybody wants labradoodles. Y'all motherfuckers turn their back on golden retrievers. I seen a golden retriever in Bankhead the other day. I said, nigga, what are you doing over here? Niggas are stealing dogs. A golden retriever in Bankhead, you don't see shit like that. It's a Rottweiler. Used to be a bull. See? That's why I know white people done turned their back on y'all. They made movies about golden retrievers. Everybody and all of them. So for y'all to just switch to labradoodle